How to uninstall Android System WebView. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide. Android System WebView is a system component that allows apps to display web content without opening a separate browser. While it's essential for many apps, there are times when updates can cause glitches, slow performance, or crashes. Fortunately, you can uninstall or revert it without harming your phone's functionality. The first step is to open your device settings app. Scroll down to apps or applications depending on your Android version. In the list of installed apps, locate Android System WebView. Tap on it to open the app's info page. Here, you'll see options like force stop, uninstall updates, and disable. If your goal is to remove recent updates that might be causing issues, tap uninstall updates. This restores the app to the factory version that came with your phone, which is often more stable. After the updates are removed, the system will continue running the basic version without interfering with app functionality. If you want to completely prevent WebView from running, you can choose Disable. This turns off the app entirely, which may help with performance issues on certain devices. Keep in mind that some apps may not function properly without it, so disabling should be done only if necessary. For devices running Android 12 or newer, WebView updates are tied closely with Chrome. In this case, you may need to disable Chrome or manage its updates to achieve similar results. To do this, go to Chrome in the apps list, tap Uninstall Updates, and then disable if needed. This prevents conflicts between the two components while keeping your device stable. After uninstalling updates or disabling the app, it's a good idea to restart your device. This ensures that the changes take effect and all the apps adjust to the modified web view. Once your phone powers back on, monitor your apps to see if performance has improved and crashes have stopped. Following these steps allows you to control Android System WebView safely, whether you want to remove problematic updates or disable it entirely. By carefully managing the app, you can maintain your device stability without losing essential functionality.